Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make money with clipping using Whop app. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do, of course, is to install the application for Whop on your mobile device, and then click on open. And as you can see, this is the home page. It looks very nice. To make the money, so you're going to click on create account. Once you do so, you're going to create an account either with your email or with Google or Discord. So you can select your Google account and choose one of them. So now that you have created your own store and have set up everything, all you have to do is go to the discover page right here. And as you can see, there is going to be many pages that offer this job or service that you can follow. So from here, you can go to either trading or anything else. So for me, the first option that was given is this one, Clip It, where you can earn $5,000 or over with the best clipping offers. So you're going to click on it and then click on join. And so from here, once you join it and click on here, it's going to direct you to a server that looks like it's on Discord. So as you can see right here, there is this. So from here, as you can see, from the earn, more opportunities, or there's the Walls where you can earn $400 per 1 million views, which is not too bad, or link me $1,000 per million views. And so once you click on here, it's going to show you any active payouts. So as you can see, this is one of the progressions that is going to happen right now. And so you click on it and tells you exactly what you have to do and what you have to submit. It will give you a link, and so you can just click on submit, and then from here you can provide the link of whatever that they ask for in here. And if you need more details, then you can ask them in the chat, and so press chat, they're gonna help you. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.